For the first time in 20 years, Somalia's capital is relatively peaceful. There are still some incidents here and there, but that should comfort a lot of people. Basically, we just want to welcome Somalia's new government, and we want to show our support. The people in Dadaab, this does mean a lot to them.
A lot of people have emotion. They never see like the flag, star, you know.
It's not a transitional government. This is Somalia's legitimate government since 1991. We hope the Somalia's leadership will see this, but basically it's a support and confidence, show of confidence.
Was a